Is your Buzzsprout account's security feeling a little shaky? Let's lock things down tight by changing your password. First, head over to Buzzsprout and log into your account. You'll land on your main dashboard, showcasing your podcast episodes and analytics. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a circular icon, usually displaying your profile picture or initials. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In that drop-down menu, find and select Account Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage your account information. Scroll down the Account Settings page until you locate the Change Password section. It's usually clearly labeled and easy to spot. Before you can set a new password, you'll need to verify your identity in the current password field. Carefully enter your existing Buzzsprout password. Next, in the new password field, type in your desired new password. Remember, a strong password is key to security, so aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. To ensure accuracy, re-enter your new password in the Confirm New Password field. This step helps prevent accidental typos. Once you've filled in all the fields correctly, click the Update Password or similarly labeled button at the bottom of the section. Congratulations! Your Buzzsprout password has been successfully updated. It's a good idea to change your passwords periodically and never reuse them across different platforms. Keep your podcast safe and secure.